guys, and hello everyone. It's me again, Adele, and hope everyone is safe. And yes, I'm going to do a video. So now, because I just noticed my hair is so long na, guys. Like, I think I trim it maybe 2 months now or 1 month ago, and it's long again. And like that. Then I notice my hair gets falls. I always have like hair falls every time, so I think I really need to trim it. So yes, so this video is all about that, guys. So let's do trim, or how to trim my hair. Because guys, take note lang, kaya I'll just do my haircut, or I'll just do my trim, because hair is so expensive. It is like really really expensive. They don't have, yes, they have like services, although it's still quite on a lockdown situation, but you know, some of the salons, or yeah, is already open anyway, but they have all these precautions to protect. But yes, one thing that I don't want to go is of the amount, because it's really expensive. It's just like a trim without any wash or thing on your hair treatment or what. So maybe on peso it's ranges around 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. So it's better to trim my own hair. Okay, so let's do this. Hope it will went alright. Hopefully, good. No, great. No memory. No memory. And guys, ayan, I just finished wash my hair, had a shower, so we're going to dry it and then I'll show you what it looks like now. So hopefully, finger crossed, it will be alright. Okay, I'll be back. I'll just dry my hair. Okay. Hello guys! Ito na! So, ayan yung nangyari sa bangs. Wala talaga akong bangs, pero binawasan ko lang. Kasi ganyan talaga yan siya. Pero binawasan ko lang. So, ito na siya guys. Pakita ko. Mirror shot, okay? Ayan. Nakikita niyo ba ako? Wait lang ha. Yan. So, ayan na siya, guys. Medyo gumaan yung pakiramdam, guys. Alam niyo yung, pakiramdam kapag nagupitan kayo. Ganyan siya. Okay naman na, di ba? Pwede naman. Not bad. Yan, wala lang akong pero ganyan yan siya. Pasensya na kayo, magulo yung aming, magulo yung aming kama kasi ligo ako. So, ganyan siya. Sa likod. Ganyan siya, guys. Okay naman ba? Comment down below. Charot. Okay ba? Okay ba? Tingin niyo. Hindi ko maano eh. Ganyan siya. Mahaba pa din siya. Parang tinrim ko lang talaga kasi kasi na siya, parang ang bigat niya, tapos maano yung split ends. So ganyan siya. Yung buntot niya medyo mahaba pa rin, pero pwede na. Diba? Pwede na. Nakalibre na tayo. Gulo ng ko no. Nakalibre na tayo ng bayad sa panggupit. Isn't it? Okay? So, yun lang guys. So, ganyan ko tinitrim yung aking buhok. Kasi medyo mahaba na siya. Okay? Ayun. So yun guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Yun lang naman ang ating ngayon, agenda. Tapos tulog mamaya ng konti kasi may pasok si Inday ngayon. So yan, okay naman siya. Magana siyang magaan na siya sa pakiramdam. Kasi naglalagas yung buhok ko. Siguro dahil sobrang haba. So ayun. Ayun guys, thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you new to our channel, please do subscribe and join to my team. Join ulit. Join and be a member. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye. Have a safe day and keep safe guys. Bye bye.